Hello, my name is Colleen Crawford, and I am the Generation RX Project Coordinator for Catoosa County, Georgia.
And I am Tracy Morrow, the Administrative Assistant for the project.
We are so pleased you have decided to take our online parenting class and have a desire to learn new ways to interact with your kids. One important key to any relationship is communication, so be prepared to discover new skills in this area. So Tracy, let's tell them a little bit about how the class works.
Okay, sure. It is funded by the Georgia Department of Behavioral Health and Developmental Disabilities under the Generation RX project. So this class also contains information to help parents talk with their children about prescription drug abuse and misuse. You will begin by taking a short pre-survey. Then you will watch 4 videos from the Smart Moves, Smart Choices Prescription Drug Abuse Prevention Program that is hosted by the popular Dr. Drew. After you watch the videos, you will take a short post-survey. And then at the end of the prescription drug prevention section of the class, you will be entered into a $10 Walmart gift card giveaway. So good luck.
But before you watch the videos Tracy was just talking about, the website will list the names of those videos, and you might want to write them down. Because of the way the Smart Moves, Smart Choices website is laid out, the first video will automatically appear at the top of the page. But you will have to move the page down to find the next 3 videos, click on them, and then they will each play at the top of the page. If you don't want to write the names of the videos down, simply click on the back button in the upper corner of your computer to go back and view the list. After this section, you will see us again in another video, and you will learn about local prescription drug safe storage and disposal. It's actually going to be very easy. You'll see what I mean when you get there. If you wanted to complete the entire prescription drug prevention section of the class all in one sitting, it would only take about 30 minutes. But the beauty of an online class allows you to stop and start as you need. If you have any questions or problems, give us a call at the number below or send us an email. So Tracy, now let's tell them a little bit about the section of the class where they will really dive into learning about handling specific situations with their children.
Yes, in the next section, you will enter the Parenting Wisely portion of the class. It consists of a series of 11 videos which reenact some real situations parents sometimes encounter with their children, along with exercises that you will complete.
Yes, and there is a little swearing in some of those videos, and we apologize for that. They wanted to make it seem realistic. We'll tell you more about Parenting Wisely after you finish the prescription drug abuse and misuse prevention portion. Thank you for participating, and we're so excited to share this information with you. We'll see you on the other side of the Smart Moves, Smart Choices videos. Now just click on the blue button over there where it says click here to begin your parenting class. See you later. Bye.
Bye.